Meaning of galloping.
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 Galloping. Galloping is an adjective used to describe a fast and energetic movement, typically associated with the movement of horses. It describes a rhythmic and lively gait, where the animal moves forward with a series of leaps and jumps. When galloping, horses lift their legs high off the ground and alternate them in a graceful and powerful motion. This movement conveys a sense of freedom and strength, as horses are able to move quickly and effortlessly across fields and open spaces. Overall, galloping suggests a sense of vitality, energy, and freedom.